Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the Bank Nifty and Nifty has performed in the last week and how the Bank Nifty and Nifty can perform on Monday. See, if you look at the chart, what you can see that the Bank Nifty made a low of around 33,979 in the month of December, or around 21st of 20th December. See, now look at the chart. If you look at the chart clearly, you can see that this is the particular range. Okay, and this is the particular range which is now moving at this zone. And see, if you look at the support is coming at around 33,979, and from there up the next support we can see is coming at around 34,049. Okay, and these levels are already tested here. So chances, what we can see, that if it comes close to this level, we can see a downside in this particular level. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain what is trading at around 34,857, it didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 34,646. Okay, this is the next support we can see. Suppose if it sustained this level, if it didn't sustain, then the next support coming at around 34,470. Okay, so this level is already tested here. So chances, what we can see, it can go further low and can touch a level of 34,119. This is also a strong support. So what we can see a bounce back from this level, or suppose if this level goes to a level of 34,049, then we can see a probability of going down will be high and can touch a level of 33,909. Okay, suppose if the price, because we can see that this level is already tested here, so chances are high it can go further low and can touch a level of 33,523. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind that if it comes close to a level of 34,119, then we can see a more downside in the Bank Nifty. But suppose if it sustain this level, what it is trading at around 34,857, and we have seen an upside. Okay, we look at this level is already tested, so we can see we have seen an upside. So if it sustain this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 35,383. And if it sustain this level, then we can see there is a probability of filling this particular gap, and it can go further upside to a level of 35,594. Okay, so keep this in mind. If it sustain this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 35,488, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level 35,558. Once this level is crossed, then we can see this particular high, it can go and touch a level of 35,804, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 36 also, because this level is already tested here. So chances are high we can see a head and shoulder pattern will form, and then from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 36,085, and from there we can see it can go and touch level 36,331. Okay, and from there we can see further more upside. But if we talk about Nifty, see, if we talk about Nifty have seen this is a downside we have seen. But if we look at the chart from 20th of December, we have seen an uptrend in this particular Nifty. Okay, suppose if it sustain this level, now it is trading at around 17, closed at around 1703. Okay, if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 17,139. Okay, and if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 17,263. Okay, and if it from there we can see it can go further upside to a level of 17,341. Okay, and if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 17,481. Okay, see now what you can see, suppose if it sustain this level for 5-10 minutes, then we can see that it can hit a next resistance at around 17,263, and if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 17,388. Okay, once this level is come 388, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 17,527, which is because 388 is already tested here, so chances are high we can see it can go and touch a level of 17,527, and we can see further upside in the Nifty. But suppose if it didn't sustain this level, or if it opens in this particular zone, so next support we can see coming at around 16,891. Okay, and if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 16,813. Okay, and from there then we can see a probability of going down, and it can go to a level of 16,674. Once this level is crossed downside, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 16,1410 also. Okay, because then we can see a opposite U pattern will form, and from there we can see a fall in the price of Bank Nifty, and this is a strong support coming around 16,394. Okay, this is the level where you have to understand here that if this level cross downside, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 16,130, which is already tested here. So what we can see a level of uh, 15,960 also if it goes below a level of 16,394. Okay, but what all I'm telling you is for educational purpose. Please consult a financial advisor before investing or trading. Okay, so now look, so any doubt you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.